Dear students, in Java, the second experiment or second number practical is to enter marks in 4 subjects and find the percentage and division of a student. Okay. So, we have to enter the marks in 4 subjects, that is maybe physics, chemistry, bio IT, physics, chemistry, math IT. We have to find out the total percentage and the division according to the percentage. Either the student will get a first class or second class or third class, or you will get fail in the exam. Okay. So, for this we have to make a suitable design. Form gote tiyari kariyake padibo. Okay. You have to make a design. We have to create a form. Java form. Okay. और जावा फ्रेम तब कहा जाए, जावा फॉर्म जे फ्रेम बोली कहा जाए. ओके. Where I have to use different types of swing controls. You have already learned what is swing controls. Swing controls are the graphical controls which are used on the forms. Graphical controls are form use kara like text field, check box, J check box, J text field, label control, list box, combo box, different types of buttons, all these things are there. So, my motto is to take a label control here, good label, all these things are present inside the inspector window. Java swing controls are present here. Okay. We have to take one by one from here, drag and drop on the form. Etu any drag and drop kare form upare like enter marks in physics. So, this is, what is this? This is a J label 1. What is this? This is J checkbox 1. Sorry, this is J text field 1. Okay. Similarly, enter marks in chemistry. Enter marks in math. आमको प्रथम डिजाइन करिया पड़ो, कारण या पूर्व प्रोग्राम रे डिजाइन नथला किंतु एथे डिजाइन करिया पड़छि. डिजाइन रे करसला पर आमे एथे मार्क्स दबा, मार्क्स देला पर तार से रिजल्ट बाहर करियो. मार्क्स इन मैथ, एंटर मार्क्स इन IT. Create a button that is calculate percentage and division. So, totally एठी 6टा लेबल कंट्रोल यूज कली. J लेबल 1, J लेबल 2, J लेबल 3, लेबल 4, लेबल 4, लेबल 5, लेबल 6, J टेक्स्ट फील्ड 6टा टेक्स्ट फील्ड यूज कली. 4टा टेक्स्ट फील्ड मु डाटा एंटर करी, मार्क एंटर करी, आउ दुईटार मु देखी बटन क्लिक कल सेठी तार परसेंटेज देखेबो, डिवीजन देखेबो. सो बटन क्लिक इवेंट रे मते कोडिंग टा लिखियो, कारण बटन क्लिक कले से आंसर टा देखेबो. सो आई हैव टू राइट डाउन द कोडिंग इन बटन क्लिक इवेंट. I have to write down the coding in the button click event. So, after creating this design, we have to double click on the calculate button. We have to double click on the calculate button and write down the coding for this program to display the percentage and division. So, how many variables are required here? We require 1, 2, 3, 4 variables to enter the data, 1 variable for percentage. Total 5 number of variables are there. We do not need any variable for division, because division is a combination of text or string, first, second, third, fail. So, no need to declare a variable for division. We have to declare a variable for this, like, okay, in another color I mention it. We have to declare a variable for this physics like P, chemistry C, math M, IT. So, 1, 2, 3, 4 variables. PER, another variable. Okay. Listen, Java is very case sensitive. So, you have to use P small means P small, PR capital means PR capital. Okay. So, all these variables you need, then you have to put the condition, if, else if condition, else if ladder condition dewa padibo to find out the percentage and division of a student. So, let us run out to the computer box jiba, ebe dekhiba how this practical works in Java NetBeans IDE. Thank you. So, dear students, This is the second experiment Java or Java programming in which we will demonstrate the use of some swing based controls and else if ladder conditional statements to find out the percentage and division of a student. We have to enter marks in 4 subjects like physics, chemistry, math and IT using 4 J text field controls. We have to take a button, calculate button, and after clicking the calculate button, it will display the answer, that is percentage and division, in other 2 text box controls. So, let us zoom it out and see. You have to take a new project, okay. Click on the new project. It will come Java and Java application. Click on the next. You have to create a Java application. You have to give a name, that division. Okay. Division. So you can see here. I'll zoom it out, magnifier. Okay. You can see here the division is a class which is created using which a folder is created, main.java. Your main.java is created. मोदर फॉर्म गोटे क्रिएट करिया पड़ियो. सो यार पर क्लिक कले डिवीजन ऊपर न्यू जे फ्रेम फॉर्म, जावा फ्रेम फॉर्म गोटे क्रिएट. ओके, सो वी हैव टू गिव द क्लास नेम हियर. ओके, लाइक student division, finish. You can see here student division java gote frame asla. Okay, से frame रे ये जो फ्रेम ऑफ फॉर्म अच्छी ये फॉर्म में डिजाइन करिया पड़ो. हाउ टू क्रिएट द डिजाइन आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू दैट ऑल दिस कंट्रोल्स आर प्रेजेंट हियर इनसाइड द पैलेट विंडो. ऑल दिस थिंग्स आर प्रेजेंट, लेबल, बटन, चेक बॉक्स, combo box, all these things are present here. Text field, combo box, text area, all those things present here. So मते गोटे नहीं के ड्रॉप डाउन करिया पड़ो आ लिखिया पड़ो. देखो फॉर एग्जांपल लेबल क्लिक कली, लेबल एट रखिली, मते जूम आउट कर दउची देखंतु. लेबल सेकेंड लेबल है लेबल 2, लेबल 3, लेबल 4, लेबल 5, लेबल 6. Next I will take, see all these labels, label 1, J label 2, J label 3, J label 4, J label 5, J label 6. छोटा लेबल नहीं गली. एबे मु टेक्स्ट फील्ड नउजे, टेक्स्ट फील्ड 1. Similarly I will take other text fields, text field 2, text field 3, text field 4, text field 5 and text field 6. छोटा text field नेली. प्रथम 4टा text field रे मु डाटा एंटर करिबी, मार्क रो 4टा मार्क एंटर करिबी, लास्ट डिटा रे मु डिवीजन और परसेंटेज देखेबी. ओके, I will take a button, command button here. Now this is the general design. I have to modify the design, the properties mu change karibi. So how to change the properties? Let's zoom it out. Edit text. Okay, I write down here enter marks in physics. Edit text. Enter marks in chemistry. enter marks in math. Enter marks in IT. This level 5 edit text, this is percentage, and level 6 is division. Either you can change the properties directly like this, edit text, or you can select here, go to the properties window, here the properties window, written level 6, you can go to the text, J level 6 is written, I can write down here also division. Okay, if you change here, then automatically it will be changed here. Okay, you can see this, the change is also here. J button, edit text, I can write down edit text, or you can click here, or you can go to its properties, you just click here, go to the properties, J button is written, just change it. ता ना चेंज करदमा एठी लिखिबा calculate. Okay, you see here it will be changed, ता ना चेंज हेगला. एबे जे टेक्स्ट फील्ड आम कौन करिया ताकू ब्लैंक करिवा, एडिट टेक्स्ट ता ब्लैंक कली, एबे ताकू डिजाइन करूची मु गोटे लाइन निता रखुची देखंतु ताको अलाइन करूची जेन समस्त गोटे लाइन ने रहिबे प्रॉपर अलाइनमेंट करा होची ताको ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप करिकी जेंती भलो देखा जीवो. ओके, you see this, so total design is complete. You can zoom out you can zoom in this, you can see this, the total design is complete now. There are 4 things: physics, chemistry, math and IT. We have to enter the marks here. If you click on the calculate button, percentage and division will be displayed. Okay, I will double click on the calculate button. Okay, you can see here private void J button 1 action performed means button 1 action performed. button 1 click कले कौन हबो to add your code here, एठी हम कोड लिखिया पड़ियो. So I have already told जे हमको कौन कौन वेरिएबल दरकार, वेरिएबल हमर दरकार हमरो एठी चारटा वेरिएबल मेन दरकार, चारटा डाटा एंटर करिया पई आ परसेंटेज पई गोटे वेरिएबल. तो लिखल int p is a variable for physics, c is a variable for chemistry. I'll write down phy chm for chemistry, mat for math, math for math, it and percentage. Okay, physics is what? Physics, the mark will be entered, physics is the mark which will be entered in this. What is this? This is J text field 1, this is J text field 1, J text field 2, J text field 1 रे physics रा mark enter हबो, J text field 2 रे chemistry mark enter हबो, J text field 3 रे math रा mark enter हबो, J text field 4 रे IT रा mark enter हबो, J text field 5 रे percentage देखेबो, J text field 6 रे division टा calculate देखेबो. So you have to remember in which field what is to be displayed, को field रे कौन देखेबो सेटा हमको निहाती दरकार. बुझेला? देखो physics in J text field 1, chemistry J text field 2, math J text field 3, IT J text field 4, percentage देखेबो J text field 5 and division देखो z text field 6 रे. So if you write down the coding here, physics, what is physics? Physics is equal to j, I will write down the coding, then I will explain you. Integer dot percent j text field 1 dot get text. Okay, you just see this coding. J text field 1 dot get text. What does this mean? This is J text field 1. This is J text field 1 dot get text means सेथु डाटा से आनला. गेट टेक्स्ट इज ए मेथड जो मेथड टा कि सेथु डाटा आणुची. इंटीजर डॉट पार्सिंट ताके इंटीजर कन्वर्ट करूची बिकॉज टेक्स्ट फील्ड जहां भी एंटर करा जाए बाय डिफॉल्ट दैट इज इन टेक्स्ट फॉर्मेट. सो तब इंटीजर कन्वर्ट कला. सो इंटीजर डॉट पार्सिंट विल कन्वर्ट द थिंग्स इनटू टेक्स्ट इनटू इंटीजर्स. जे टेक्स्ट फील्ड 1 डॉट गेट टेक्स्ट डाटा आणला, इंटीजर कन्वर्ट कला, फिजिक्स से रखला, phy रे रखला. ph इज ए वेरिएबल व्हिच इज ऑफ इंटीजर डाटा टाइप. सो phy, chm, math, it, per, these 5 variables are of integer data type. So whatever the value to be stored here, that must be of integer data type. Okay. Next I will click enter. Similarly, chm is equal to what? Integer dot percent j text field 2 dot get text. Okay, see. Similarly, another 2 math is equal to integer. Just see here, it is very much case sensitive. I capital means I capital. Okay, you can see here bit count B small, C capital, get integer G small, I capital. So what is written in capital you have to write down in capital letters. What is written in small you have to write down in small letters. So integer dot parseInt. In the parseInt you can see parseInt P is small, I is capital. In the J text field J small, T capital. J text field 3 dot get text. It is equal to integer dot percent j text field 4 dot get text. Okay, so I have what I have done here. I have taken 4 variables, physics, chemistry, math, IT and percent 5 variables. In 4 variables I have stored 4 values which will be taken during the runtime. I have to find the percentage. What is percentage? Percentage is equal to total by 400 into 100 or total by, means how to find the total? You have to add physics plus chemistry plus math plus IT by 4. Okay. So the percentage. Next, where the percentage is to be displayed? Percentage to displayed in the J text field 5. To get the data, get text is used. To set the data, set text is used. So basically J text field 5 dot set text. Plus PER. Okay. Okay. Percentage is find out. So depending on the percentage, we have to find out the division of a student. So first one, if percentage greater than equal to 60, what will the division? First division, we know that. Okay. So percentage greater than equal to 60, J text field 6 dot dot set text first. Next, else if another condition percentage greater than equal to 50, greater than 50, it will have j text field 6 dot set text second. Else if percentage greater than equal to 30, j text field 6 dot set text. Set text third. And the last one is else part. Else okay, your program is finished. Now you can see here what happened. I have taken the j text field 1 data in physics, j text field 2 data in chemistry, j text field 3 data in math, j text field 4 data in IT. I have find out percentage here. Then depending on the percentage, I have created some conditions. You can see here. Just here. If percentage, if, else, there are 4 conditions are there. In the first one, if percentage greater than 60, the student will get first division and it will be displayed in the j text field 6. Next one is greater than equal to 50, second division, 30, third division. Else means whatever condition is left, then that will be a fail. So these 4 conditions are to be applied. These are conditional based statements which are used in else if ladder. Okay. So now we have to run this, but before that we have to create a class. As this is a form, we have to display this. If you will just click on the run button, if you click the run button, you can see here written build successfully built, but no output will be there. So we have to create a class or object from a class in the main class. Okay. In here the class is here, you can see the class name here, student underscore div. This is the class name, student underscore div. This is the class name. Public student underscore div. This is the class name. Okay. I will copy this. How to create a class, how to create an object from the class, I will show you. Its class name space object name is equal to new class name. So I will write down here class name is what? Student division, space object name obj is equal to new class name. Okay. So student division is the class name, obj is the object name, new student division is the class name. Next we have to set it to visible state, obj dot set visible is true. Now let us run the program. Okay, you can see the program runs here. I can zoom it out, zoom it in. You have to enter the marks here, 56, 78, 89, 26. It will calculate, you can see here 62% and fast division. Just like this the softwares are created in Java. This is a software. Okay. It will just change it. 55, calculate 56% second division. Okay. So this is all about the second program in Java, where we have discussed how the coding is created using LCP ladder, and the total mark and the percentage of the division on the division of students using the LCP ladder. This example demonstrates how the data is entered using the swing controls and how they are displayed. So thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Hope this will enjoy the class.